Hi everyone. So last session we started about dialog creation and create the component with I can open notepad, so we'll try. Yeah. So last session we started and we discussed few of the areas in AEM, like that is create component using .content.xml and we discussed about dialog creation dialog creation. In the dialog creation, we have the concept that is multi-field. That is multi-field. Multi-field. So multi-field meaning in the name itself you have the meaning. More than one field is called multi-field. So this multi-field you can try with the same type. There are types of multi-fields actually. In the multi-field meaning more than one field is called. It is the process of writing more than one field. It is the process of writing more than one field. More than one field is called multi-field. It is called multi-field. In the multi-field, we have the types, guys. Types of multi-fields. So, first one is multi-field with the same type, and the second one is multi-field with the different types. First one is multi-field with the same type, and the second one is multi-field with different types, and next we have the nested multi-field. Nested multi-field. Nested multi-field. I hope you guys are clear what I'm saying. Today we are discussing about the multi-field. This is the part of CQ dialog. Already you know how to design CQ dialog at all. Multi-field also part of CQ dialog. What is multi-field? It is the process of writing, or it is the process of creating more than one field is called multi-field. So in AEM now the types of multi-fields. Those are like multi-field with same type, multi-field with the different types, nested multi-field. Okay, these are all the areas. Now come to here. So in the last session, we created the component using .content.xml, right? So the same way you can go ahead with that location. In my case, my project is May batch, and components are available in UApps, SRC, next main, content, JCR root apps, May, components. Coming to here. So last session we created one component, that is the digital component, right? In the digital component, CQ dialog, this content.xml I am opening. I am opening this content.xml. Now I am trying to design the dialog by using this content.xml. Okay, coming to here, and what all the fields I created here: content, and under the items we have the title, description, and a number. There are three fields I have, right? So after this, I would like to add the multi-field. Multi-field. This is the node. I'm adding the multi-field. Okay. So inside the multi-field, for this multi-field, I'm trying to add the properties. So the properties for this one is JSR primary type. I'm adding the JSR primary type. Next up, string resource type. String resource type also I'm simply copying from there and I am adding here. Next one is field label. Field label also I'm not adding the field label. I'm adding the this is changed to multi-field farm number and this you can change to multi-field. And here actually I'm giving the JSR title that is about the book details. Okay, okay, fine. Yeah. So inside multi-field, again I would like to create one more field that I can mention that is field. And for this field, I would like to add JSR primary type and next to properties, string resource type property. Next one is field label. Field label equal to I'm giving book names. Book names, and here I'm giving variable names also. Name equal to dot forward slash book names. Book names. Okay. Yeah. So this is the simple multi-field which I created. This I am deploying and then we'll see how it will affect on the page. Okay. So before deployment, you have to pull all the components from there to here. This is which project is this one? Okay, okay, fine, fine. Yeah. Save the file and go to the code base. So in my case, my code base is available here. May batch, and here I would like to deploy my entire project in my AEM instance. And install -p auto install simple package. So we can deploy and then we'll see how it will affect on the page. Okay. So make sure you have to open the AEM instance. Yeah. Okay, go. Yeah, build success. Now go to your project. So localhost 250 start.html and CRXE. Go to your CRXE. There is a you can reload. Go to your digital component of your project. Your project is Maybatch, right? Go to your Maybatch project. This is my Maybatch product, and inside the Maybatch, open digital component. It is the digital component, and open the dialog of it. Items, under the items, dialog, content, items, title, description, and number, right? So here that will be effect on here. So come to here. There is a dialog content.xml. Load the project from there to here. Open folder. Project is May batch, right? Go to the May batch. This is there are two folders. This is March batch. Go to May batch. This is the May batch. They have to select the project. Now go. There is a digital component, right? Digital component. Go to CQ dialog and open the content.xml file. Content.xml file. Go to this the files. Here you can organize, but here all are in different format. Right? You have to move little bit forward. This is also a little bit forward. Title and these all should be the parallel. Title, description. I will show you here. Extra number. And parallel to this, there is a multi-field. Multi-field, it can start with multi-field. Multi-field is closed here, and inside the field, we create one more field. That is normal field. This is the normal field which we created. Okay. Now can do the deployment of this, which is coming up. Environment install. Change the repository. Environment install. -p auto install. Single package. See here, multi-field got created. Okay. So if I click on this, so I added the path. This is the digital component which I created, and demo project where in demo project. Go to the May project, and the components, and there is a digital. Click on the digital content items and number, title, and description. Number, title, and description. Coming to here, number field will be created. Check the bundle timestamp. Go to here. There is a bundle timestamp. Go to operations, web console, and OSJ bundles. Check the bundle timestamp. Bundle name is May batch. For May batch, there is a 22 and 270. Okay, fine. Now we can create here through CRSG. See. So here you can create one more node, create content node, and mention the node as multi-field. Multi-field. Okay. Yeah. I'm saving this one. For this multi-field, you can add the properties, that is string resource type. String colon resource type. I'm adding string resource type, that is granite UI components, next coral, and components coral, foundation, next font. I'm simply adding that. Save all, and inside I would like to take one more field, create node, mention normal node field. So for this field, I would like to mention string resource type as form text field. Form text field. So simply I'm adding that one. Multifield plus the multifield. Yeah, multifield. I'm saving this one. Now go to any page. Go to the sites and go with any page. May, yes, and then I'm going with the EM. Edit this one. Try to drag the component on the page. The component name is the digital, right? Try to drag the component on the page. The component name is digital. Click on that, open dialog. You will get the dialog. So see here, this is called multi-field. This is called multi-field. Adding more than one field is called multi-field. Adding more than one field is called multi-field. So here, if you want to read all the values inside, then you have to take the name variable. Name equal to, here simply I am taking book names. Book names. Okay, simply you can add that one. And for this also here you can mention some JSON or title. Book names. Simply you can add that one. Save out. Go to that EN page. Reload the page. Come to here. Reload the page. Click on the dialog. So see here, multi-field data is coming or not. For example, if you author the data here, if I author the data here, So this string model we can read by using string model, and that data should be affect on the page. For example, as of now I am taking, I can read the values by directly hard coding. That is actually I am taking slightly expression and properties dot the variable name, whatever the variable name I given here is the variable name. Names, I am copying the names and that name I am giving here. So names. Go to the page, reload the page. Go to see here, all are coming. For example, here if I would like to author the value, here I will do the book names. Like I would say, rich dad, rich dad, poor dad, and some Java, some AEM. These are the book names I am giving. If I click on this, so see here, all the names are coming or not. This is called multifield. Multifield with the same type. Multifield with the same type, meaning we are only reading only string values, string type. I hope you guys are clear what we are discussing. So we are discussing about the multi-field. There are three types of multi-fields we have in AEM. So the three types are multi-field with the same type, multi-field with a different type, nested multi-field. So now I hope you guys are clear. Multi-field with the same type meaning. So some same text I am adding, same field I am adding multiple times. When I author the dialog, you can add number of times. You can add number of times, number of times, number of times you can add. You can add number of times. I hope you guys are clear, right? You can add number of times. This is called multi-field. Multi-field with the same type. Okay. Now, mm, this multi-field we created through dialog, meaning through CRXT. I am saving this one. Now I would like to go to here. Here I want to pull from there my code. So there is a components option, go there, and then the digital and content.xml. This is the content.xml, right? Open this one. Okay, I can pull the code from there to here, and then we'll see how it will come and that what is good toss. Pull the code from there to here. So see here. So this is the code actually. Okay. So this we can design. There are two ways. So if you observe here, items is the node. Inside the items, title, description, number, multi-field, and next we have field. These all are parallel. These all are parallel. Okay. I hope you guys are clear. This is clear or anyone have any doubt? Multi-field with same type. So this multi-field with same type we can create by using .content.xml and by using CRXT also. So we created CRXT and we can create by using this also. If you come here, this is the structure. You can take the multi-field, inside the multi-field, you can take the field and yeah. Now the next question is multi-field with the different types. Multi-field with the different types. Multi-field with the different types meaning. So here, if you come to the page, when I open the dialog, it is reading only which data? Only string data. But in the scenario number two, I want to read number type, I want to read integer type. Like this, I want to read with multiple types. Then that is called scenario number two is multi-field with the different types. Multi-field with different types. Now coming to here, multi-field with the different types. So now here, there are two ways to create. Now again, I am going to here. So this I am changing to container, foundation container, and in the container level, I am closing this field, and this is the container and multi-field. For this multi-field, I am doing this as well. And here also, I would like to give name, name equal to book details with map, book details with the map, book details with the map. Yeah, this is the container, and inside the container, field inside container, inside container, I am taking items, and I am closing the items, and now I we can take with JSR primary type is unstructured. Next, string resource type is there is no need of a string resource type. Under the items, again I am taking book name, book details, and book subject. There are three properties I am taking. There are three properties I am taking. Okay. So what are the three properties I am taking? First one is book name, and the second one is book subject, book subject, and third one is book published date, book published data. I can say book publish data, book published data. So for this, I would like to add these all the properties. First one is JSR primary type, and for this also I would like to add same thing, and here also I would like to add the same thing. Next one is string resource type. String resource type is I am adding here foundation, form, and this is the text field. Same way you can do. mm, I can take here field label equal to, this is the book name, right? This is the book name, so that is the reason I'm mentioning that as the book name. And next we have variable. We need to take the variable, right? So that is the reason I'm taking name equal to, I'm taking variable name is also book name, book name. Same way, same way I can do with respect to book subject. and book publish date as well. This is the book name, this is the book subject, and next I would like to take book publish date as well. So here I can change, this is the book name, this is the book subject, and this is book publish date. Book publish date. Are you guys clear with my statement what I'm doing? So here I'm designing the dialog with the three different data types. This is the text data type, string data type, and this is the number data type, and this is date data type. Here simply I am changing to second one is number, and third one is date picker. This is the number field, and this is the date picker. Okay, and here also I am changing to subject, and here also I am changing to book publish date. Book publish date. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. You can arrange the node structure. So if you see here, simply what I did here, there is a multi-field, right? This is the multi-field. If I close this multi-field, okay, this is the multi-field. Inside multi-field, I'm doing the multi-field with the different data types. So we have to check the node structure properly. Node structure properly you have to check. Okay, now open this field. Inside this field, I taken items. Go to the items and click on the items. Under the items also everything is okay. Under the items also everything is okay. Under the items also everything is okay. Now simply I am deploying this one and then see how it will affect on the page. Okay. So there are two ways to deployment. Through IDEA you can deploy, or normally in the code base also you can able to deploy. Now you can do the build and then you can see. Here the names also can change. This is the book publish date, right? Here you can change to book publish date, and this is also can change to book subject. Book subject. This is the book name. This is the number field, date picker, and text field. I hope everyone is clear, right? Now simply I am opening the command prompt and then I am doing the deployment. Make sure you have to save the file. Save the file. Now open the terminal. Now I can do the build. Give the command. Make sure everything is matters. Okay, if you do any mistake also, it won't be. Now, see. For this component, for multi-field, we need to write the string models. Okay, so that is we will learn today. It is taking some time, guys. Please be wait. See here, okay. Now whatever the structure which I created here, I am opening VS Code. I am opening the folder. The project is the same. See, coming to here, whatever we created, hmm? There are three types we created, right? First one is the book name, book subject, and published date. So the notes also same way it has created in the CRXT as well. CRXT as well. When I'm doing the live, it is some lag. Yeah. Okay. Now when I click on this multi-field and field, next items and book name. This is the book subject and book published date. Okay. So for in the multi-field level, we need to add the composite, one more property, that is the composite equal to true. So select the boolean and true and click on that. You can add that one, and in the code base also you have to pull that the changes. So simply go to your components and you have to pull the changes from there to here. Import from AEM server. So I imported from there to here, and this is the property we need to add. We need to add that property. Book details with map, and the next one is book name, book subject, and book detail, book published date. So for this, we need to write the string model. To the string model, we can read the data. That is our actual requirement. Now, so take a file. I am taking the file. Go to the I would say models and create one file. So the digital parent is the class name I am taking. Class name I am taking as the digital parent. Digital parent is the class name I am taking. Digital parent. Okay, this I am converting into model. This I am converting into the model. Model, and we have to import the annotation. So it is slowly loading the annotations. Okay, and after that, adaptable is equal to resource.class. Resource.class. So resource also we have to import this one. Apache.sling.gateway and a dot class. And next one is default injection strategy equal to default injection strategy dot option. Dot option. Okay, come down. Now in the dialog level, how many properties we have? There is a dialog, right? Go to the components, and there is a digital. In the digital also, this is the dialog. And when I open the dialog.content.xml, and if I close the multi-field, so parallel to the multi-field, there are three nodes are available. Article title, article description, and article number. Article number. The same properties I am copying from here. Article title, and I am going to here digital parent, and here I am creating the values. That is value map value, and I can say public string equal to value article title. Next one is at the rate value map value. At the rate value map value. Next one is public Next, what we have coming to here, there is a content.xml, right? Article description. So like that, already you know how to write and all, right? So this is the article number, right? So that is the reason I am taking. This is also article description. Article description also I am taking as the string. Next one, third one is the article number, right? So this I am taking like as value map value, and inside public int article number. I am taking article number. This is the number, article number. Make sure everything is matters. Everything is matters. Spaces, capitalization, everything is matters. If you miss anything, your string model won't work properly. So make sure whenever writing the string model, everything is matters. Okay. So simply say Control S, and then now coming to here. నువ్వు అక్కడే ఉండు, బయట ఉండు. బయట ఉండు ఇప్పుడు. So there are three fields, right? Title, description, and number. Inside the multi-field, what we have again, book name, book subject, and book published date. Coming to here, this is already, you know, if you want to simply can write the string model Java class, and we can create the object in the .html file, and we can read the each value. Now our requirement is we want to read the values by using string model, that is multi-field. So for that multi-field, again I would like to create one more class, models, and inside the models I would like to create one more class. The class name is digital subclass. Digital subclass. Digital child class. I am taking digital child class, and this class also I am converting into model, and adaptable is equal to resource dot class. Sing API resource dot class, and default injection strategy equal to default injection strategy dot optional dot optional. So here there are three fields, right? What are the three fields in the multi-field? We have book name, book subject, and so here I am writing value map value. So public string book name, and the second one is I can say value map value, public int book subject, right? Book subject, and third one is at the rate of value map value, public. Third one is date, right? Date, book published date, book published date, book published date. Click on that, and then you have to import java.util. So date is the data type coming from the java.util package. Okay, yeah. So these three are the variables, and these variable names and these node names should be the same, that already you know. Now coming to the file, and these three are the variables, and if you want to achieve the string models by using getter methods, so simply right click on this, and there you have the option that is the source action, and in that source action there is the option generate getters methods. Click on that, and you will get the three methods. three methods, right? So simply I am saving this one. This is the child class, and we need to make the connection between this child class to this parent class. Are you guys clear with my statement? What I am saying? This is the multi-field. Okay, this multi-field we need to connect with to this class, Java class. How we can? There is a concept in the list, right? Collections topic in the Java. The same thing. I am coming to this file. I am taking the annotation that is at the rate child resource. There is a annotation at the rate child resource. I am taking list, and the class name is digital child, right? You can look for the digital child. You can look for the digital child. Okay, and the data type, the variable name here is, there is a, go to that dialog items. This is the field, right? In the field label we have given the name, right? We have to copy this one, book details with map, copy this one, and coming to here. Yeah, now there are three variables here. Here also you have to import the statement, import java directory package. There are four properties: article title, article description, and article number. So these three are the instance variables, and if you want to achieve this one, you have to generate getter methods. There is a getter methods, source action, and generate getter methods. Selecting all and click on this. So getter methods also generated, right? So simply can save this one. Now we can able to do the deployment. Before that, make sure you have to import the components. If not, whatever you created all will gone. Make sure you have to import the components. There is an import option. Import from the AEM server. Import from the AEM server. Okay. Yeah. Coming to code base. Now I can able to do the deployment.